Hello guys, this is the 1% Force Club. Welcome back to this channel. Today I am sharing you a very valuable strategy that we call the tunnel light strategy. So welcome back to the 1%. So I am sharing tunnel light strategy, the TLS tunnel light strategy will show you the path. As you know, when there is a thunder, the stranger can see the light to find out the path. This is a very promising strategy because this light will show you the path of success. It will be a Pathfinder. So this strategy is like as the previous dig the pure gold strategy, but this is an update, and of course an promising update. Okay, now pay attention to the chart. So here is the chart. As you see here, two windows, the first and the second. This is zoom 2, and now here it is the zoom 0. And this is the zoom 1, and now you see it is zoom 2. We need this zoom level to so zoom 2 only need for entry for the signal, and of course you can use zoom level 1. So it is M1 chart, and I'm scalping gold, and let's get the indicators set up. So here 1 2 3 4 5, already 5 indicators taken for this thunder light strategy. So here 2 window taken for these 5 indicators. This is the window 1, here window 2. On window 1 I have taken 2 moving average. So on the main chart, that is the window 1, 2 indicators, EMA 20 and EMA 200 taken. Here you see EMA 20. This is the violet color, exponential violet, and this is the 200 exponential moving average, and blue color taken on main chart on the same window. That is the first window. And now I'm taking 7 period RSI, and this is a level 50, 30 and 70. You just need this 3 level, and here the color is black as like my background color. And on the same second window you have to take envelope, and the setting will be period 1, deviation 0.008, smooth, and apply to close, orange color. So you better taking snapshots on the screen to take the setup correctly. And here finally you have to take 20 exponential moving average, and of course apply to first indicators data. As you see here, I'm taking first indicators data, so that is important. Apply to first indicators data for that 20 exponential moving average on the second RSI window, and the color is blue. That's it. Well, that is the main chart and the second chart. So here I'm gonna rules. Number 1, take zoom 1 or zoom 2. Number 2, wait for orange reach at the 30 or 70 level with sharp edge. And number 3 rules, wait for the blue lines cross 50 level. Number 4, take entry. So take entry that time is the number 4 rules. And number 5, take hourly profit. Okay, now let's do some real example, real practice. So here is the chart. This is M1 chart, gold, and here you see orange sharp edge, and this sharp edge forming on 70 level, that is the overbought zone. So here we are searching for sell, but we have to confirm from the blue lines. Whenever you see blue reach at 50 level and it's going to cross 50 from up to down, that is the time to take a sell entry. So here I am taking sell entries right now. I have taken entries here, sell. So 2 sell entry taken by me, and as you see it is $100 account, very small account, and I gonna flip it. So here is the levels. It is the zero zoom to see the levels. This is the eagle-eyed mode to watch the whole market, and you can take profit here and there. That's 2 levels. So here you go, price hitting down, and now I'm explaining some other examples for better learning this thunderlight strategy. So take notes, pay attention, subscribe and share the video. You must get something valuable. So here is the zoom 1, and this is zoom 2, and okay, see again, this is zoom 0. So zoom 0 to watch the levels, and this is the zoom 1. You can take signals from this zoom level. And it is zoom 2. You can also take entries or take signals from this zoom 2 level also. Okay, here is our profit, some hourly profit. As you see, price hitting down to the first TP level. Well, here goes the examples. So pay attention to learn the whole strategy. Okay, see here. As you see, the sharp edge of orange reach on 70 level. So here I am finding a sell opportunity, and that time I have to confirm that the blue lines crossing 50 from up level to down, and that time we have to take sell entries. And another example here, this is the orange sharp edge, and then the sharp is taking place on 70 level, and then blue lines are going to cross 50. That is the confirmation of taking sell entries. So you have to take sell from here, and you can take profit from here. Well, here you see the white rectangle area. Have a look on this false signal. It is a false signal because here sharp edge forming, orange reach at 30 level, and blue cross 50. So you're gonna take buy entries from here, but you should not do that. You have to avoid that. And so do you buy here? No, because this is a false signal. So how do you identify a false signal? So avoiding false signal is a matter of tracing the orange structure. So when you see 2 minutes sharp edge early on the 30 or 70 level, 2 minutes means very early stage sharp edge forming. As you see here, it is a consolidation, and for this consolidation here, the orange two lines making 2 minutes sharp edge and early sharp edge that is more than 3 times. So here you need to avoid the signal. So you just avoid buy signals, and whenever you see forming a false signal, you can take entries opposite. Okay, let's check some other signals. Here it is a sharp edge, and here the blue cross 50, so take sell entry here. Okay, and here a sharp edge forming and blue lines cross 50, so it is a buy signal, and you can take this buy signal from this target level. So from here buy. Okay, and here another example. Gold sharp edge forming above the 70 level, and then blue lines cross that 50 from the RSI, and you can take sell entries. So here is another example. Sharp edge forming, blue lines cross the 50, so buy signal. Here you see sharp edge and blue cross 50, so buy from here. Have a look on this. This is a sharp edge, and here blue cross 50, so sell. And look at this rectangle false signal. So no sharp edge as you see here, but the blue cross the 50 level, so it is a false signal because there is no sharp edge. So now you can clearly see the signal here, the golden edge forming on above the 70 level, but this orange has no sharp edge, so the blue cross 50, but we didn't take sell entry from here, so it is a false signal. definitely. So don't take any sell entries from here. And you can sell. No, you can't take sell from here. You can take opposite entries, that is the buy from here. As you see, if you take buy from here, price going upward. So again here another signal, that is a sharp edge, and blue cross the 50. So from here you can take sell entries, and that will be a good profitable entry. So here again forming sharp edge below the 30, and we can take buy. Here another sharp edge crossing 50, so sell entry from here, but you have to take early profit. And another signal, buy signal here. Here golden sharp edge forming on above the 70 level, so you can take sell after confirming the blue lines from crossing 50. So you can take sell from oversold, overbought 70 zone. So sell from overbought 70 zone. As you know, 70 is the overbought area, and you can take buy from oversold 30 zone, and 70 is the overbought zone. You have to sell from there. Here another signal, you can take buy entries. So this is gonna be another entry here, sharp edge forming above the 70 level and blue cross 50s, so sell entry. And here another signal, as you see, sharp edge and then blue cross 50, sell from here. And here another buy signal, as you see, sharp edge forming below 30, and then here forming a sharp edge and then cross the 50, so buy signal taken place. And this is definitely a false signal. So how did you know it is a false signal? As you see here, false signal taking place above the 70 and then blue cross 50, so sell from here. But you shouldn't do that, because you have to see the sharp edge. So here the sharp edge are collapsed. That is the twisting too much. As you know, the orange line have two lines, and this, if you see the two lines twisting too much on the area, you have to avoid. Here you see the signal, this is twisting. So you better avoid the twisting signal. And whenever you see the twisting or early sharp edge signal, that is a consolidation period, so you can take the opposite entries. Here an example. Here you see 2 minute sharp edge taking place, and 2 minute sharp edge means sharp edge forming more than 3 times on an early stage. So should we buy from here? No, you have to avoid this signal. And again here sharp edge forming on the 70 and the blue lines cross 50, so sell. And this is definitely another false signal, because here no sharp edge. As you see, this is a flat, something flat signal from the orange line. So add this figure. As you see here, 2 minute sharp edge, but that is flat. This is a good signal here from sell, and this one is another false signal. As you see, 50 cross 50 level crossed by blue, but sharp is twisting too much. So here 2 minute twisting sharp edge. So you just have to avoid this formation. And here sharp edge and blue cross 50 buy signal, pure gold. Here another sharp edge forming and 50 level crossed by blue lines and buy from here, huge profit. As you see, it is a clear and visible sharp edge. That is the condition you have to meet. And here also sharp edge forming and 50 crossover from blue. Here sharp edge 50 level crossed by blue is buy entry. Here also sharp edge and blue cross 50 sell entries. Okay, that's all examples I marked. Hope you enjoyed, and all those examples might allow you to learn the method nicely. So here is our profit, and you see it is $100 account, and now already 42 USD profit. So price is now hitting down nicely, and we expecting much from this level, and I'm still waiting till the orange I'm going to touch the 30, and then I will take profit. So if you feel the strategy perfect, you better stay tuned with this channel, and for your sake you just have to subscribe this channel and like the content, share the content, and comment. If you don't understand anything or you feel better with the strategy, you just let me know comments below. So now I'm gonna show you how to take the indicators. My target is 100% flipping, so very close to the target. Here it is now $86 profit, looking good. Well, let's see the indicators. So at first I'm deleting all the indicators. So I'm selecting all the indicators and delete. So here you see the naked chart. There's no indicators right now. So now I'm adding indicators freshly, so pay attention. Here's the indicators chart. I'm taking 20 exponential moving average, that is violet color, and now I'm taking 200 exponential moving average, that is blue color. Okay, the main chart is complete, and now I'm gonna adding the RSI, that is relative strength index. So at this you have to take pure 7, and here's the levels, how to add the levels. You just have to push the plus button, 70, 50 and 30 levels taken, and you have to take this color black, the same as your background color. This is important because we just don't need this RSI levels. I want to vanish it, so I keep the color with my background, so it's gonna vanish. But taking RSI 7 is very important, so don't miss it. So that's it, the second window RSI taken place. Now I'm adding other indicators, envelope on this second window here. So I'm going to add envelope, so you have to click this function button from the window tool marked as indicator window 1. So here you have to push the plus button, and now I'm adding the envelope. So have a look on the parameters, that is the period 1, shift 0, deviation 0.008, and of course the orange color, you can call it gold color. Now I'm taking EMA 20 on the second same window, applied to first indicator's data. So here is the moving average 20, that is exponential, and have a look on this. This is applied to close, but we have to change it, and this will be applied to first indicator's data. You see, choose this option, apply to first indicator's data. That's it. So 20 exponential moving average blue color, and press the done button. So this will be applied on the second window. That's it. That is the whole setup, the whole secret of this thunderlight strategy. So if you love it, like, please also subscribe the channel. And here is our profit right now. It is $240. So $100 turn to $200, that is more than 100%. I can flip. That is a very, very profitable strategy. So thank you guys. I'm now taking profit. So all the profit taken, I booked all the profit, so it is now $230. 100 to 230, that is a huge gain. So feel free to ask me anything, and I never beg your money. Your poor traders can charge you, so I never do that. All contents here free of cost. And I want to see you rich with all the manner. Stay tuned with this 1% force club. And hope you guys can reach that levels soon. Wish you good health. Hope you enjoyed the video, and here's the chart. So see you guys, the 1%. Keep practice, take notes. This would be a blast on your trading career. Hope you practice more on demo, and thanks me later. Bye bye. Take care.